Blossom Bloom was founded in 2020 and we support mums and babies. So generally mums and babies who are socially isolated or in need of some kind of support.
You know, being a parent is overwhelming and it's a roller coaster, and we are there to support them, and in a group it's very nice because they've got other mums to support them.
So initially we've created a wellbeing course, and one of the elements of that course is around money management and me. So we delivered that course together with Multiply, and it looks at sort of maximising their income, reducing their expenditure and creating a budgeting plan.
So with Blossom and Bloom sessions, we've been looking at budgeting and money matters, and they're very practical, the sessions, and I always try and make sure that there's lots of practical games. We've been playing a game today, lots of practical activities involved, because I think the learners respond better to that. It keeps them interested. It's massively rewarding and probably the main reason why I do the job that I do.
You can do some smileys. You can do some smileys for the camera. So this is my first course with Multiply, money, numbers and maths. We're on the third session today. We just finished the third session, the reducing expenditure, and we're finding it very useful so far.
Also from like the social aspects from the courses, we all come together as like parents so we can like give each other ideas.
I don't think anyone can ever prepare you for the huge change a little one will bring to your life. And one of the big changes is obviously money. Children are very expensive and there's nothing you can do to escape that expense, unfortunately. So being off work and being on maternity pay, coming to a course like this really helps me to understand how I can make the most out of that money, but also how I can save for the future.
It's really great, the course that's being offered in the community here, and we're thankful for Multiply, so thank you.
I think our relationship with Blossom and Bloom encapsulates everything which the Multiply project is trying to achieve in Denbighshire and across North Wales. So that's working with those wonderful charities, organisations who operate in the hearts of communities, and working out how our bespoke numeracy courses can develop the skills of the people they work with in line with the organisation's overall goals.